Alrighty guys, alrighty. It's gonna be a little Craigslist training. I do have some experience with using Craigslist. However, some things have changed then until now. For an example, it is no longer free to post in the gig section. With that in mind, if you post something and you have to pay for it to be posted, that's a given. But if they decided to take your ad down, you will not get a refund. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. And that's why it is very important to have a business phone. And SMS phone leads can definitely be that business phone that you want, because you can follow up with these people that call you. There's a tracker, like you can track who calls, and you get to display a pre-recorded message. And once somebody calls that number or even texts that number, it will be an instant reply back to them, automated from you. I'm gonna have a video discussing how SMS phone leads work in actual real time. But for right now, let me see, I'm go to home. Alright, so this is my number right here. Whenever somebody calls me, my credit balance will go down by 1. So that's how I know someone has contacted me. And also it will show up in my system messages if they leave me a message, or it will be in my leads. So with that being said, I would not recommend posting your website link in the Facebook ad, because not Facebook ad, but the Craigslist ad. Because when Craigslist decided to change the rule of posting free postings, they're going to have a lot less people posting because you have to pay for it. So if there was something to flag about, or there was something for them to flag your ad for, they would do that because it's less people posting. So they will obviously see your ad and say, "Oh, like look at the website," and then take it from there. And then if they want to flag you and cancel your ad, they can do that. Okay, so just keep it real generic, all right, and make sure the most important part is sending these people to your SMS phone leads number, because that's important, because they can't really flag anything right here because you don't have your website link. You don't have anything like get rich, like anything like that. So this ad is good enough. I really wanted to put my website link last year, being brokeplan.com, but I decided to hold back just in case I get flagged, because I'm paying $5 for this ad posting. So I'm paying $5 for this. So with that being said, I don't want to even give them the chance, so that's why I'm gonna just put my phone number and not my website link. I was going to, but I really want to, but I'm not going to. I have SMS phone leads, and even when somebody calls that number, they would get an instant text message from me leading them to my website and my YouTube channel. So no need to put your website link in your ad posting if you have a business phone set up like this. And that's very powerful. If somebody calls or texts that number, regardless of what they talking about, regardless of what they want to speak about, they're going to get my website and my YouTube link. And I'm going to show you how that works in a different video with SMS phone leads. So just keep that in mind. If your ad looks to be like some type of sketchy, like make money type deal, then you could get flagged and you're going to be wasting your $5. So keep that in mind as well. Don't put your website. Just put a phone number. Don't give them any reason to flag you. Okay? Don't give them no reason. And I'm very confident that this ad will do well. I'm very confident that when people call, you're going to get a call to action. And again, the next video will be a SMS phone leads like walkthrough, just showing you how that process works. I'm putting yourself. Well, actually, I'm showing you how it would be if someone was to call you and get that message. So that will be my next video. I just wanted to just share this quick information before I post this Craigslist ad. Again, as you see, it is $5. But yeah, make sure you guys do not put your website link in there. Don't give them no reason to flag you. That's all I wanted to show. Keep slamming traffic and things like that. Alright guys, just a little update. I just posted my ad under an hour ago. And let's go to SMS phone leads. And as you can see, I've already gotten replies. Already gotten people hitting me up asking about the ad. So, and that was under an hour ago. And that's how you check to see who's messaging you. And so far it was at 99 now, so it's at 97 now. So that means two people has called me thus far in under an hour. So that's amazing results. Like, yeah, I just want to just give a quick update. That's good results under an hour. I'm getting responses back. So with that being said, link will be in the description. I will do a video discussing thoroughly how the process works in real time, my automated reply back to these people. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, see you on the inside.